Hi, Isis. I'm looking at your resume and I see that it's incomplete. You put in that Greeking, but you don't have it anywhere else. That looks a little funky. If you don't have it, just make it up for the assignment. This first one was my most favorite. I think your logo looks like a playing card, which is interesting. Except the symmetry is off. Like this cue, I'm looking at the space between the tail and the top, and then it sort of runs into the cue over here. It just looks like a mock-up. It doesn't look like a fine-tuned logo. So I would work on making it absolutely perfect and consistent. And then also, as you get more experience, you're probably not going to want to use this giant size logo. I would just probably, if this was mine, I would just use the Q's creations and then put it up in the top left corner. But, it makes sense for you right now because you don't have a lot of experience. But as you move forward in your career, just get rid of that playing card box. Otherwise, I do like the grid layout. I like the color palette. I like that you left the line and kept that all tight. But just like I said, make up some experience, make up a lot so you can really fill in that area. And then, it's important to note too that graphic designers try to avoid hyphens. So in the future, make sure you just return, don't do a hyphen. This one I didn't like at all. Sorry. The consistency in the type is off. This Greeking distracts me. The stretched out tracking there is hard to read, and it's almost impossible to read with this dark card in the background. Um, and this one, same comments. You can't do the Greeking. You've got inconsistent spacing. It looks like a mock-up. It doesn't look like a tight design. That said, I think this one is probably your strongest and the one that you yourself concentrated on the most. But it's a good direction. Let me know if you have any questions.